Running an educational institute often involves much more than quality content and great teaching. Though the core remains teachers and the content that they deliver. As an institute grows, the administrative responsibilities start taking a toll. The process becomes too tedious, which involves going through so many steps, declaring and advertising your course on multiple platforms. Use emails and Google Forms for initial admission process. Share bank and UPI details over communication apps such as WhatsApp and email. Schedule lectures on conferencing apps such as Zoom, Meets, or Teams. Whichever suits your requirements, and then share the link over email and WhatsApp. This process does not end here. You also have to get the attendance, and that happens manually over the chat, wasting most of your class timings. And if you wish to share some notes or information, you again have to rely on WhatsApp or email. Honestly, this is too lengthy and time-consuming process. What if there was a platform that will do all these tasks and more with just few clicks? Introducing VSIEdu. VSIEdu will help you with every administrative work, whether it is advertising your courses or getting over with the admission process for the students. It will also help you schedule lectures and notify your students before the session starts so that they don't miss. Not only that, you will have your own database that you can filter however you want, institute-wise, course-wise, paid, unpaid and whatnot. A well-thought dashboard for students and teachers where they can manage their lectures, notes, etc. And all of this in just one platform. So all I am saying is, it is an easy all-in-one administrative platform that helps you to focus on content and content delivery, reducing the overhead administrative work. Wait, that's not everything. We have more. We have integrated an industry portal where industry admins can log in and see student profiles, post jobs socially over the platform, and schedule interviews. This will help the industry find right candidates and offer your student equal opportunities to push forward their careers. To know more, log on to www.vsiedu.com and mail us at vsi.edu@voidstarindia.com.